What up, y'all? It's your girl Taliah Jenee, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today we are decluttering and organizing under the kitchen sink. How did we get here? I have no idea. There's so much stuff under this sink. It was just, ooh, child. It's just so ridiculous. But I did not buy any new organizers, any new baskets. I bought nothing. I'm just using what I have at the house because I'm not trying to make it perfect. I am just trying to get it done. So with that being said, if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos, and continue watching.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Like you could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand you home with me tonight. Run away with me. It'd be worth the time. Run away with me. I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time.